What's up everyone? Today we are going to be playing the Swamp Simulator. Here's the players in this last server there were news and it was only best in there. I don't like being the best. This is so awkward. I should have ordered a breath right there. Hey. Oh crap. Bear, what's up, dude? Actually, let's go try to get, like, a really good amulet. But while I'm doing the challenge, I'm gonna put the outro music from Fearless really loud. Because I don't like... I'm gonna be focusing, and Fearless's outro lets me like control. So let's go.
Another one more. I got some chill.
Alright, bros. About this amulet. I don't know why I still have like in the red section health, but look, I wouldn't choose it because my blue pollen is 14% and it's 11 pollen for the blue pollen. But what's worse is that there's white pollen instead of red pollen. I don't really like that. But if there were all three, I would really like that. But in this case, I only want red and blue pollen. So I'm gonna keep mine. Alright. But if I'm like ever farming something, I would choose like a white pollen. If like I need, yeah, whatever. If I like need a farm for a white pollen. Oh man, feels bad. Oh, and this morning, look at this amulet. I got this morning. Really, I don't think it's really good, but it's something. It's my It's my second amulet. Why did you have to spawn here? Oh my god, why? I actually got the snail down to there, but I don't really like farm him because I know I'm not strong enough yet. But I will when I have 30 bees. Like if you want to see that actually. But I don't really do videos like that, like just grinding at all. I don't really do videos like that. But guys, today that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then like and subscribe. This is my new channel, by the way. I'm not gonna post my other videos. I mean, by the way, this is not my merch. I just got this somewhere from the stores for free. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and I will see you guys next time. Wait, look. Oh no, wait. 6 boxes. Alright, man. Peace.